Hi Virgo, this is Mary Shiyamachashaloka. Let's see, what is your situation? I just looked at the clock, it's 2 a.m. at my end. All right, Virgo's out there. What is it that you need to hear from me right now? Virgo's out there. Things are aligning for you just because 2 on the clock. It looks like 5, but yeah. They stopped me here. We're looking at the judgment. When I spoke about things are aligning for you, a decision could be made in your favor. Okay? I don't know what that is about, but yeah, it has. It's going to go in your favor. Let's see. Virgo's out there. Sun, Moon, or Rising, Venus. What is it that you need to hear from me right now? Your first card is the Justice. Yeah. Fool card. Beautiful. Behind the deck, we've got the Four of Cups. Something is aligning for you. They want me to look at the next card. Yes, Chariot. If you were unhappy, all right, because this is the behind energy, like past energy. If you were not okay with how things were right now, how things were in your life, that is about to change because justice is going to be served. The Fool card is all about a new beginning. All right? You're going to step into a new path, or it's like a new chapter for you because things are aligning for you. You will be in control. You will be in charge. 3 major arcanas on the table, and earlier it was a Judgment. So this might feel like a very big shift. They want me to break the deck here. Interesting. There's 3 splits. Things are going to work out because I'm looking at the 8 of Pentacles. All right. Page of Wands, communication. This could be in regards to a work situation as well. We're looking at the Four of Swords, something which you waited on. What else? Sorry. 7 of Swords. All right. This one. 7 of Wands. It's like you stood your ground or you put up a fight against some kind of deception or sneaky behavior. All right. You might have called them out or whatever. Because Page of Wands, communication. Anyhow, things are going to go in your favor, whatever the situation is. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra energy or probably a Cancerian energy, strong Cancerian energy with these 2 cards. 7 of Wands, a Leo energy, 7 of Swords, an Aquarius energy. All right, moving on. Virgo's out there. Can we have the next card, please? This one. 7 of Cups. Things were all over the place. Okay. Ooh, Knight of Swords. Behind the deck, we've got the Four of Wands. Knight of Swords is a forward-moving energy. It's a fast-moving energy. All right? It's like now. There is going to be a clarity within a situation because something is rushing towards you. If you were confused or not knowing, or very optimistic as well, give me a second. What is the 7 of Cups here for? So I feel like the Four of Wands, this could be the energy which is going to reach out to you. If it's an institution or an organization, it is going to reach out to you very quickly. Or there is going to be stability and security which is going to come through for you. You were optimistic about it. You were waiting on it. Now it is happening. Okay. Could you clarify the 7 of Cups, please? This one. 7 of Wands, conflict. We're looking at the 8 of Cups energy. That's why all over the place, like it was very confusing. 4 of Swords, a waiting energy. Whatever the situation is, you had conflict. All right. You were up against someone. All right. You were disappointed. And it seems like you were waiting. All right. 4 of Swords, hopeful. And I think the wait is over. Okay, from the looks of it. Give me one more time. Because I don't want it to be in your head you're optimistic. It's just you being dreamy about it. That's why I'm asking for a clarification. Seven of Cups. What do you want to tell me here with the Seven of Cups and the Knight of Swords? Is it happening? Just one. Again, the same damn Seven of Wands. Conflict. I have no fucking idea. You saw me shuffling the same two cards, the Seven of Wands along with the Eight of Cups. Did I miss out on something? Are you going to be disappointed and it's just you being very dreamy? Is that what it is? Yeah, Knight of Cups. Could you please confirm this energy? Could you please confirm this energy with the Seven of Cups? Because the card speaks about you being hopeful. This is a dream. Your dreams, your wishes. Yeah, Page of Cups. You're being dreamy about it. Okay? You want this to come through. The Knight of Swords. You are hoping this one. So it's not happening? Is that what you're saying? Because the Justice, the Fool card, along with something else, right? You're waiting on the Judgment. And I spoke about the 2-2. Things are aligning. So what happened? I don't remember the third card. The Justice. The Fool card. New beginning. Or a new chapter. But why is it showing you're hopeful? Three of Pentacles. Let's see. We're still in the second card though. That doesn't look nice though. Some of you might be dealing with a Scorpion energy, a Taurus or a Gemini energy, or an Aries energy. Can we have the next card, please? Virgo's out there. Because it could be a wishful thinking for justice to go in your favor. Can we have the next card, please? My ear is hurting, so. Can we have the next card, please? Just one. In the center of the reading is the World card. Yeah, things are aligning for you. Yes. Because the World is second chances, it is transformation, it is a renewal, rebirth, all that. The Lovers, like 2-2 when I spoke about, it's like things aligning for you. The Wheel card, things are going to move forward. Yeah. It's just you were wishing, but why? The Seven of Wands along with the Eight of Cups. There were conflict, you were disappointed. But I think things are going to turn around. Okay? Things did not go in your favor once upon a time like before, but things are going to transform. Like it's a second chance. Okay? Yeah, that's what it's speaking about. Oh yeah, some of you might be dealing with a Gemini energy or a Sagittarius energy. Can we have the next card, please? Virgo's out there. When I'm looking at the World card, for some reason, this is the first time in my entire life of reading cards. I'm going to say there is this energy of being exposed. All right, justice along with being exposed. I just noticed the upper chest. I've seen it multiple times, but this is the first time they made me speak about it. All right, it's like someone is going to get exposed. While the justice is being served, someone is going to feel very exposed. Okay, whatever they did might come out. That is how things are going to go in your favor. Because Seven of Swords earlier, Seven of Wands, like there is conflict and people fighting against you, but being sneaky and all that, that is going to come out in the open probably, and that is why things are going to go in your favor. The judgment is going to be made in your favor. Yeah, the Two of Swords, which is like the decision. Nine of Wands. Behind the deck is the First Swords. You might be anticipating how things will come about, but this is what someone is going to get exposed. for whatever they were up to behind the scenes, that's going to come out. Yeah, Queen of Cups, very invested into this, all right, this whole story. Not me, someone out there is very invested into it. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra energy, a Sagittarius energy, or probably a Libra, yeah, strong Libra energy in there. Things are going to move forward from where it is right now. This card jumped out, which is the wish fulfillment card, and then we have the wheel. Your wish is going to be fulfilled. All right, there is no doubts about it. You were optimistic though, okay, but very confused as well because so much conflict situation. Five Swords, you never give up. Okay, there is this energy of not giving up. Even when you were disappointed, you did not give up. That is why there is going to be a shift. Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius energy. Can we have the next card, please? Virgo's out there. Ace of Wands, along with the Hierophant. Something solid is going to be offered to you. Okay? Yeah, Nine of Wands. This is very overwhelming. Like you are on the fence about it, but things are going to move forward. Okay? I feel like you want this so badly, whatever that Ace of Wands is, a commitment or opportunity or whatever. You want this. Okay? And someone else has to offer it to you because the Hierophant. All right? It could be the company you're working for. It could be anything. Like, you need them to decide in your favor and offer it to you. That kind of energy. Some of you might be dealing with a Sagittarius energy, a Taurus energy, Ace of Wands. All right, can we have the next card, please? Virgo's out there. I'm super hungry right now. A jumper. We're looking at the Ace of Wands again. Four of Pentacles. There is this energy of someone holding on to it tightly, not willing to offer it yet. Okay. Something else? We're looking at the Page of Wands, but there is going to be communication in regards to it. The Tower. And get this energy, this is going to happen real quick. Like out of the blue. Two of Swords. Yes, the decision. They were thinking about it. They were trying to decide, and that could be the stalling energy. Like they were just sitting tight. But they were making that decision. Contemplation was going on. All right, Virgos, can we have the next card, please? This one. The next card is a Hangman. I was just thinking, this took, because I was feeling very hungry, and this was a thought which was going on. All right? It's like you were waiting for a very long time. Okay? The hunger is building up. Right after this, I'm going to have something. But yeah, like anticipation in regards to whatever you're waiting. All right? Very optimistic. You waited patiently. Yeah, Nine of Swords. You're losing your mind as well. The Nine of Swords. Just waiting it out, thinking it from every different possible angles. Right. Okay. I think it's a pigeons who's trying to. Okay. Anyhow. Nine of Swords and Hangman. The weight is screwing up with your headspace. All right. It's making you lose your mind. Thinking of the different scenarios, the possibilities, what could happen, what couldn't happen, all that. Okay? Will it happen? Will it not happen? All that. Behind the deck, we have got the Eight of Pentacles. You're trying to make it work, but it's just so much anticipation. It's almost like I want to say, you really want this to go in your favor. You want justice to be served. This has to do with a damn decision. All right, because judgment in the very beginning. All right, you want things to be made right. All right, justice to go in your favor. And you waited long enough. Okay, and the hunger is building up. Okay. I can't think straight because I'm hungry. All right. Some of you might be dealing with this could be in regards to your work situation as well. Eight of Pentacles. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo energy. I'm speaking to the Virgos out there, a Sagittarius energy or a Gemini energy. Can we have the last card, please? Virgos out there. You're very optimistic about it, all right? Very, very optimistic. You weren't giving up, ready to give up. Virgos out there, can we have the last card, please? I just saw the Sun card, which is, the sun is going to finally shine down on you. Blessing. Can we have the last card, please? Virgos out there. And get this energy. Before things go in your favor, there is a lot of thinking from their end. Okay? Because the multiple shuffles. Virgos out there. Can we have the last card, please? Yeah, this one. Ace of Swords. Didn't I tell you about the decision? Because that's the Two of Swords. This is the clarity. Okay? Finally, they will decide who's right and who's wrong. That's why I spoke about, someone getting exposed. While you deserve your justice, someone is going to get exposed. Yes, Page of Cups. Behind the deck, we put the Wheel card. Okay? It's like, there is a very vulnerable energy about you. You waited on this, okay, for this second chance, for the world to see, for things to be clear and out there in the open. Okay, there is this energy of really wanting this, okay, to happen, for the wheel to move forward in your favor. Okay, there is going to be clarity. It's almost like I would say everybody is going to know what happened. I'm just going to break the deck. I'm done with your reading. This one, the Moon card. Okay, if things were in the dark, did I say the sun while I was shuffling? I just saw the sun. So if things were in the dark, it's like there is going to be clarity. Okay, like things are going to come out in the open. That's why it's going to be exposed. That's it. I wish you the very best. I think you waited on this for a very long time. From the way I'm very hungry right now. It is 2:20 on the clock. Again, 2:2. Okay, I'm not even joking with you. 2:2. Things are finally aligning in your favor. And that's it. And what do you say? You're being blessed. I don't know. You're being blessed. Maybe you deserve it. All right, that's it for now. This is Marishi. Until next time. Bye-bye.